Say hey, faithful. Gary here with another injury edition of 49ers Fogies Shorts. It's time for Week 18 Thursday Injury Report. Aaron Banks, guard, ankle, knee. Didn't practice Wednesday or Thursday. Nick Bosa, defensive end, resting player. He didn't practice Wednesday, but he had full practice Thursday. Jimmy Garoppolo, quarterback, foot. He didn't practice Wednesday or Thursday. Kevin Givens, defensive tackle, knee. He didn't practice Wednesday, but he had limited practice on Thursday. Dre Greenlaw, linebacker, back. He did not practice Wednesday or Thursday. Javon Kinlaw, defensive tackle, knee. Didn't practice Wednesday or Thursday. Christian McCaffrey, running receiver, ankle, knee. He didn't practice Wednesday or Thursday. Trent Williams, offensive tackle, resting player. He didn't practice Wednesday, but he had limited practice on Thursday. Arik Armstead, defensive tackle, foot, ankle, limited practice Wednesday and Thursday. Ambry Thomas, cornerback, ankle, limited practice Wednesday, did not practice Thursday. Brock Purdy, quarterback, oblique, rib, full practice Wednesday, limited practice Thursday. Deebo Samuel, wideback, ankle, knee, full practice Wednesday, limited practice Thursday. This has been a really strange week for the 49ers injury. So, until next time, stay healthy and go Niners! Say hey, faithful. You made it to the end. Leave us a message in the comments down below. And go Niners!